So this is where we stayed last night, just outside, about 2 kilometres away from Belchite, which is the ghost town, and we stayed outside of this church. It's it looks abandoned, but the property, the sort of houses that are built onto it, look quite new and in good condition, so don't know, it's only us here. And the bell rings every hour, on the hour, which is a bit spooky. And yeah, today we're exploring the ghost town of Belchite, which is just over there. Just over there in the distance, about 2-3 kilometres away. So this is where we are entering the ghost town, Belchite. Okay, so now we're out of the wind, I'll tell you a little bit about where we are. We're in Belchite in Spain. It was the site of a big battle in the Spanish Civil War in the late 1930s, I think it was about 1939. And a big battle took place here, lots of people died, the town was pretty much destroyed, and it's been completely left since then. So since the late 1930s, it's been completely left as it was. It's not a tourist attraction as such, but you are pretty much free to walk around it, at least we think anyway. Oh.
We're not sure whether we're allowed in here yet.
Well, from what I've read online, there is a bit of a fence around it, but you're free to. There's like a sign saying ghost town of Belchite. So anyway, we're looking around now. Still see the damage from the artillery shells. This must have been an impressive building, still is an impressive building, so.
Big heads and tiny bodies.
That's the only real adjustments that have been made, is some of the buildings have been sort of shored up, bolstered, to stop them falling down completely. Other than that, not a lot's happened here for the last 60 years, is it? Longer than that, 70 years. Longer than that. Okay.
So there's a sad message on this door. It says, we've translated it, Old Town of Belchite, you will not be outdone, and you will not hear the songs that our parents sang.
Some information on this sign here that just says that this was the oldest building in the town and the most important, and in 2001 it was recognised on the Aragonese Cultural Register as a monument. Very haunting walking around here, especially since it's just me and Heather, very quiet. This cross has been erected on the old square, and it was erected by prisoners from the concentration camp built in Belchite after the war. This is another memorial to the casualties. An old wheel mill which was used as an improvised mass grave, and now it's a commemorative area.